Hello everyone, welcome back to our ICT class, and this is video number 23. Hope you all are fine and safe. So did you study the topics which we have discussed previously? I hope it is so. So what all things we have studied? We have in our third chapter, we have studied how to create a pattern. We studied about different commands for creating the geometrical shapes and pattern, and in the last class we draw different patterns, and also while creating the patterns, if we want to give the color, that is also possible in Python. Okay, so we have studied about the different color commands which is used to give the color in pattern. Okay, so the comment which is used to give the color is COLOR, color comment. Okay, and also the last activity 4.5 is color filling in Python. If you want to fill the color in each geometrical shapes while creating the pattern, that is also possible. So for that, the two comments which we have to keep in mind is of begin fill and end fill. Okay, so with these all things we have created the geometrical shape also. And also after that, in page number 51, this with that much we have completed in the previous sessions. So after that, page number 52, page number 53 and page number 54, you can see a lot of programs. That is not important. Those who are having the computers, they can write the code and you can see the result. Okay, you can see the output. It is not important, and also it will not come to the exam. So just you can go through that code. It is of some advanced Python commands and advanced code for creating the patterns and all. Okay, so so that I am not discussing it in the class because it will not come to the exam and need of studying. So just to go through that, and if you are having computers, you can try out these activities. Okay, so after that, in page number 55 you can see a table, and it is of different comments. You have to study these comments and the use of the comments and the example. Okay, so these all are some of the comments which we are used for creating the patterns and geometrical shapes. Okay, and the first comment you can see, it is the forward, which we have already studied, moving the turtle to the right. And circle, it is a new comment. If we want to create a shape, a circle shape, we can use the comment circle. And the dot, for floating a dot, we can use the comment dot. And pen color, we have studied the pen size. For what purpose pen size is used? Specifying the thickness of the line for drawing on the screen. Pen color means if we want to give the color to the line which we are drawing, we can use the comment pen color. Right means angle, which is how much angle which this turtle have to turn to the right. And the left means how much angle the turtle must turn to the left. Okay, and the next one is of color of A. Color means if we want to give the color for the geometrical shapes while drawing the patterns, we can use the comment color. Color of A means a single color. Color of A, B means if we want to if the example is color of black, blue, the first color black for giving the outline. If you want to give the outline a specific color, we can use the first color black, and the next one is blue of filling the color, which color we have to fill, that color we will be giving as the second option. And the clear, removing all the lines and colors in the graphic screen. And the last one is from turtle in bold star. It is a important comment which we have to write before writing all the comments for drawing the patterns and geometrical shapes. From turtle import star means we have to import these comments from the library turtle graphics. Okay, so for all the programs, before writing the comments, we have to write the first comment from turtle import star. Okay, So with this much our chapter is almost completed, and the next is of let's evaluate and the follow-up activities. So here I am going to do an activity from the follow-up activities. The second question you can see here, draw a pattern, draw these patterns below using pentagons and hexagons. Okay, so for that how we have to open application programming, we have to take IDLE. Here you can see the Python shell. So there I am opening the new text editor, new file for writing the programs. So here I am going to type a simple program which already you can see the program, simple program which you have studied, which we have done also in page number 49, a simple program for creating the pattern with squares. Okay, so by making the certain changes in this program, I am creating hexagon and pentagon. So this is the symbol program. Here you can see the square. This is the symbol program of creating the square. Okay, I am making the change. Okay, so this is the simple program of creating the square. From Turtle-ImportStar is the main library. Clear means if you want to remove the lines and all after writing the program, we can use the command clear. Pen size means the line thickness. For I in the range of 6, right of 60. For j in the range of 4, and this is the code. For j in the range of 4, forward of 100 and right of 90, and this is the program for creating the geometrical shape square, and the square must be repeated 6 times with 60-degree angle. Okay, so this is the program for creating the pattern with the square. So I am saving it here. I am writing example. After that run module. So here you can see the pattern which we have done this program, and we saw the pattern. Okay, so in the activity they have given for creating the pattern by using the pentagons. Okay, so I am making certain changes here. So for pentagon, what we have to do, 5 sides we need. Okay, so I have given the 5 sides, and in the textbook you can see the in the page number 48 they have given already the instruction for creating the pentagon. The angle must be we can give 72-degree angle. Okay, so I have given the 72-degree angle, and the pentagon must be rotated how many times? 8 times. Here you can see it is 8 times it is rotated. When you check in the textbook also you can see that. So I am writing it of 8 times. So I have to, if it is of rotating 8 times, this you can see, if you check the pattern, it is in the form of a circle. So this 360, we need the sum as 360, then only the whole circle is completed. Okay, so we need to get 360, then only we will be getting the pattern like this. So where we have to make the change, here I have to give 45. So correspondingly if I make the change here, I will be getting the full circle. For getting the full circle pattern in the full circle, the sum must be 360, that I have already explained in the previous classes. So 8 degree 8 times it must rotate, and the angle I am correspondingly I am giving 45 degree. If we add 45, if we multiply 45 into 8, you will be getting the answer 360. So almost our code is completed. So here I am going to save this, and I am going to run. So here you can see the pattern showing with pentagons. geometrical shape is pentagon, and they have drawn 8 times this pentagon is rotated. So here you can see here the thickness is very less. Okay, so we don't want the thickness, so for that I can remove the pen size. Okay, file, save, run module. So here you can see the pattern with the line, the thickness is very much less. Okay, so next they have asked for drawing the hexagon. Okay, instead of pentagon I am drawing the hexagon and I am rotating it of 8 times. So what all change I can make here? For hexagon we will be knowing 6 sides, and you can see in the page number 48 itself they have given for drawing the hexagon the angle is they have given 60 degree. So I am giving the 60 degree itself, and also instead of you can give any of the angle must be if I want to move it to the right direction I can give the command right. If I want to move to left I can give it as left. So according to the wish you can do that. So left of 60, file, save, run module. So here you can see now it came from the left direction. So here you can see the pattern with the hexagon, 6 sides hexagon. Okay, so hence we created the 2 patterns. It look like the same, right? Okay, so here also if I want to give the color, okay, I am just for studying or just for giving you more in detail I am making some change. If I want to give the color for this pattern, how I can give, what all the comments I have to use for giving the color. So that also I will be showing here. So for giving the color we have to give a specific command. What is that command? The command is color, color, color. I am giving the first color is of I am giving red. Okay, the outline I am giving as red, and the color which I have to fill I am giving is purple. Okay, and I am closing that. And the 2 comments which we have to give, what is that comments for filling the color? Which comments we have to give? Yes, begin, fill, and end fill. This end fill and begin fill must be in the same line. Okay, so that you have to keep in mind, then only we will be getting the output as we wish. So I am saving this run module. So now you can see the line is of red color and the color which is filled is of purple, and the pattern is ready here. Okay, so with this much our chapter is almost completed. So just we will summarize the whole chapter. What all things we have studied in this chapter? We have studied how to create different geometrical shapes and patterns in Python. Already we have studied how to create calculations and computations, how to do in Python in the previous years. So in this year we will be studying to create geometrical shapes and patterns. So for that for doing these all things we need a platform, or we need a IDE. That is for creating the Python, the IDE which is used is IDLE, Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Genie is also one of the example. Okay, So before writing each comments, we have to import the comments from a library. We have to familiarize these comments to the Python. So for that we need to use a software, Turtle graphic software. So we have to write the comment from import from Turtle import star is the comment which we have to write first. And the next one, if we open the if we open IDLE, application programs IDLE, if we open, we will be getting a Python shell. If we want to write the programs continuously, we can open in a new text editor, new file, and there we can write the programs. After writing the programs, if we run module, we will be getting output in a window which is known as the Python graphics window. And also we have studied about different Python commands, dot comment, forward, right comment, left comment, pen size, and also for giving the color we have studied the comment color. And also if you want to fill color, we can extra two comments we have studied is of begin color, begin fill and end fill. So these all are the topics which we have discussed in this chapter. So I hope it is clear to all of you. So just you have to go through this chapter. Those are having computers, write the do the activities in the, and you can see the output. If you want, you can practice the activities programs in the page number 52, 53 and 54. Just you can see different types of patterns. Okay, so if you have any doubts, we will be discussing it in the Google Meet. Okay, and also practice the activity, study the important topics. I am giving the homework also. Two questions: what is the use of begin fill and end fill? And the second question is color of black blue. What will be the output when we use this code in Python program for creating the pattern? You all will be knowing, if you use the code, what change you can observe in the output. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. Okay, so next class we will be moving to the next chapter, 5th chapter. Okay, so see you in the next class. Bye. Thank you.